Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. In this video, we will take a look at how to create and configure a box joint connection construction in CAD Builder. A box joint, also called a finger joint, uses alternating fingers and notches on the ends of two connected parts. When the parts are assembled, the fingers interlock with the matching notches. Let's see how this works. Let's open Connection Constructions, and in the default folder, select the box joint template. Because the supplied template is read-only, use the copy icon to create an editable copy. Give the copied connection construction a name your shop will recognize, such as box joint. The first setting is box joint type. The available options are visible or blind. A visible box joint leaves the fingers exposed at the outside of the assembled joint. A blind box joint hides the interlocking fingers from the outside face of the joint. When blind is selected, CAD Builder adds the joint lip depth setting. Joint lip depth controls how much material remains in front of the joint to conceal the fingers from the outside face. Select the box joint type that matches the appearance and construction method that your shop wants to produce. Next is box joint spacing. The available spacing methods are fixed, adjustable symmetrical, and adjustable asymmetrical. Fixed uses the entered finger width and finger spacing as fixed dimensions throughout the joint. Use this when the pattern must follow exact finger and notch dimensions. Adjustable symmetrical allows CAD Builder to adjust the pattern so the joint remains balanced and symmetrical at both ends. Adjustable asymmetrical creates a full finger at one end and a full socket or notch at the other end, while CAD Builder adjusts the pattern between them. The dimensional fields available for the pattern can change depending on the selected spacing method. Finger width controls the width of each projecting finger. Finger spacing controls the width of the opening between adjacent fingers, which becomes the matching notch in the adjoining part. Finger minimum width controls the smallest finger CAD Builder is allowed to create when an adjustable spacing method recalculates the pattern. Use dimensions that match the joint pattern, tooling, jig, and production method used by your shop. Fingers length adjustment changes how far the fingers extend into or through the matching notches. This setting can be used to fine-tune whether the ends of the fingers finish flush with the adjoining part. Fingers width adjustment changes the finger width in relation to the matching notches. This adjustment can be used to fine-tune the fit of the joint. Small changes may make the assembled joint tighter or looser, so verify any adjustment with a physical test joint. Under CNC, select CNC connection parts when you want CAD Builder to generate the machining required for the box joint. Next are tenon inside corner correction and notch inside corner correction. Although this is a box joint, CAD Builder uses the terms tenon and notch for the two matching sides of the interlocking profile. Both correction settings provide three choices: use T-bone correction, use corner cleaning, and no correction. Use T-bone correction adds rounded reliefs that extend beyond the inside corners. This provides clearance for a square mating corner when the joint is being machined with a round router bit. Use corner cleaning adds additional corner cleaning machining to remove material left in the inside corners by the round router bit without using the larger T-bone relief shape. No correction leaves the natural router bit radius in the inside corners. The mating part must accommodate that radius or the corner will require another machining or manual cleanup method. Choose the correction method based on the CNC tooling, the required fit, and whether the relief will be visible in the finished joint. Once the settings are complete, save the connection construction. Next, open the cabinet construction method where the box joint will be used. Open the appropriate joint location and select the three dots to open the connection selector. Select box joint connection, choose the box joint you created and select it to apply to the connection. Generate a test cabinet and open the wireframe editor. Turn on Show Processing so the box joint machining is visible. Verify the box joint type, joint lip depth when using blind, the spacing method, finger dimensions, length and width adjustments, and the selected inside corner corrections. Confirm that the fingers and notches align correctly on both connected parts and that the finished joint fits together as intended. When box joints are used for drawer boxes or other repeated parts, use standardized part heights that work with the selected finger pattern. This helps prevent an unwanted partial finger at the edge of the part. The values supplied by the template are starting points. Before releasing the setup for production, compare them with the tooling and construction method used by your shop. Always machine and assemble a physical test joint before using a new box joint connection construction in production. As you can see, CAB Builder allows you to control whether a box joint is visible or blind, how the finger pattern is distributed, how the joint fit is adjusted, and how the inside corners are machined. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. For more video tutorials, please visit our website at www.cabbuildersoftware.com/training. Thank you.